First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Saski Citra Ramadhani. I'm from 2A and my student ID number is. Today, I'm going to deliver a hortatory exposition speech entitled National Exam as the Graduation Requirement for Elementary Students. I hope my speech will give us all something meaningful to reflect on. So let's begin. In developing a fair and meaningful basic education, I firmly disagree with the idea of using the national exam as a graduation requirement for elementary school students. At this level, children are still in their formative years. Requiring them to face large-scale standardized tests tends to bring more harm than benefit. In Asinta 3, accredited journal Putra and Mulyani 2020 emphasized that the pressure of the national exam can lead to anxiety, sleep disturbance, and decreased motivation among elementary school students. This effect might have long-term consequences and negatively influence how students perceive education in the future. In other words, intent of motivating students, national exam place heavy pressure on young learners, which is hugely untenable for elementary education, a time that should be joyful and nurturing. According to Sulat 3 2022 in the journal Ilmu Pendidikan dan Pembelajaran, the national exam only focus on academic scores without considering students' character, empathy, or social emotional skill. Furthermore, the Ministry of Education and Culture, Kemendikbudristek, has acknowledged this issue through the policy of replacing the national exam with the national assessment. The government has shifted the goal from determining graduation to mapping the quality of education. It shows that high-tech testing is no longer seen the best way to assess a student's overall potential. In the Al-Quran, Surat Al-Alaq verse 1 states, Iqra bismi rabbika lazi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. This verse teaches that learning is a personal and spiritual journey tailored to each individual as created by Allah. Islam also upholds the principle of just teach a single started test to determine graduation and ignores the difference in student background, abilities, and context, making it inconsistent with the Islamic value of fairness in education. Considering its many weaknesses, the national exam should not be used as a graduation requirement for elementary students. As a better alternative, we should promote teacher evaluation, school-based assessment, and student portfolios methods that are more human, contextual, and supportive of children's development. Elementary school is not a battlefield of academic competition. It is a stage to build curiosity, values, and foundational skill. It's time for Indonesia to adopt a more chill, centered, and fair educational approach. That concludes my argument. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.